Oh, aye, it's got something. Oh, it's got a scorpion in it. Oh, look, there's a scorpion. There was a scorpion in the pipe. Where did it go? There you are. Hey, look, he was living in there. Sorry, mate. That's the guy. Probably the same one that I saw a couple of weeks ago. Aye. I should really get rid of him, shouldn't I? Aye. Right, let's put you in this. Right. Oh, don't sting me. Don't sting me, you bum. Oh, please go in. Please go in. Oh, right, aye. Failed. How's it going here? Aye. I don't mind scorpions. The dogs don't mind them anymore. They've learned their lesson. The cat, I think it got a little bit of a fat face from one. Aye. I don't mind scorpions. Okay, so that's what the problem was. There was a scorpion in my pipe. Now the thing about this live video is, I don't know, can I edit this video to show people that, you know, look at this bit, the scorpion bit's kind of funny. Oh. Right, most of the dirt is out now. Do you know what, that's fine because there's going to be dirt going in, isn't there? Now, oh, that wee scorpion's house, I hope he didn't have, or he or she didn't have any babies of that. Okay. Right, the lid is on. The lid is on, guys. And we are filling up with water. Yay!